In the back of this unit.
Wait, restart. Ready? Go.
Oh. Trailer's currently available. Whoa. Come check her out.
Do it again.
Hey guys, Connor here at WorldWideRV. Behind me is the 2025 Jayco J-Flight 260BHW. This unit comes in at just under 30 feet long. Up at the front, we got your power tongue jack, two 5-gallon, 20-pound propane tanks on top of your integrated A-frame. Up front, pretty decent sized pass-through storage. Huge storage under the bunk beds here. This unit's equipped with a tankless water heater. And then right under that is a quick disconnect propane line. On the back, we got the Lipper on-the-go ladder receiver. And next to that, it's prepped for a backup camera. Stepping into this unit, you can sleep up to 8 people in here. The sofa and the dinette both convert down into beds. And then behind you are the 2 double bunks. In the kitchen, we got a double sink, 3-burner stovetop with a range vent. Above that is an Envision microwave and an 8 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. In the back of this unit, the sink is detached from the rest of the bathroom. Your shower tub combo. There is plenty of headroom in here. In the front of this unit, there's a queen-size bed. Not only do you have wardrobe storage on the side, you also have storage underneath the bed. Also in the bedroom, you'll find your 30-amp solar controller on the wall. Again, my name is Connor. That was a look at our 2025 Jayco J-Flight 260BHW. Currently have this travel trailer available here at WorldWideRV for $22,741 through the end of December at 4660 East Main Street. Come check it out for yourself. We'll see you soon.